Okay, the next step, I'm going to take I've got a 1/4 inch drill bit here. We're going to drill down through the neck, and this will be for our string. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Want to be about center. That's pretty good. That's about where we want it, so we're going to open it up a little bit. If you can see, got our hole drilled right here. That's about where we want it. So we put the mouth in. It's about where we're going to go with it. So thanks for watching, and we'll be on to our next step.